Welcome in, team. I'm Nike Master Trainer David Carson, and today we're working on a total body athletic workout. I've talked to the top hoopers from around the world and taken the skill from each and every one of them to put in this workout today to give to you. Let's get to work. No great workout starts without a great warm-up. I'm gonna give you a ton of information in this warm-up, so kind of ears open, body adaptive to what we're about to do. So our first move, we're gonna get to the front of our mat. We're gonna go straight leg, reverse lunge, reach over the top. We're gonna go alternating here for a minute. In 3, 2, 1, inhale, step back, reach, and reset to square. Step back, reach, step to square. And you just keep going here. This move really helps to open up our hips. Disassociation from the upper and lower body. Total body, right? We really want to keep that in tune even as we warm up. Last 20, reach. Last 15, reach. You also work a ton of balance here, which especially at the beginning of a workout and our warm-up is extremely tough. In 3, 2, and 1. Here, team, we're gonna go karaoke in place. Sure, we've seen it with a ton of space, but we won't need that today. So here, we're just crossing that foot over, changing our hips. We're here for a minute. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice and easy, especially to start. Whenever you start a new move in this workout or any other workout on the app, start slower. Start to get your rhythm, and then you start to speed it up. Last 30 seconds here. Really open those hips up, wake those feet up, and breathe, and relax. 15. Good, team. Drive that hip over. Loose hips, strong hips. We're here to change direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and here. Take a nice breather. We're gonna go into a tall plank here with a reach out in front. We're here for a minute. In 3, 2, and go. If you're not there yet and have some shoulder issues, drop to those knees. It's still early in the workout. We're warming up. Stability in our shoulders and core. That's our foundation. No matter what fancy moves we give, we gotta be able to rely on our foundation. 20 seconds. In 10, keep reaching, keep everything else nice and stable. 5, 4, 3, 2, and good. Grab some water here, team. So here we're gonna have 2 strength working circuits. In our first pairing, watch me. We're gonna hear to the back of our mat. We're gonna go ascending squats and push-ups. Here's how it's gonna look. So we're gonna go 1 squat, straighten up, walk our hands out to a nice big push-up. Then we're gonna go 2 squats, 2 push-ups. You get what I'm cooking? We're here for a minute. In 3, 2, 1, and go. So again, every movement is a perfect movement. 1. Whatever that number you have in your head, try to get to that number. You can modify that push-up at the bottom while dropping those knees. We're here for a minute. Try to get there. Get to that top number. I like this because you can come back and do this workout in a week or 2 and understand and try to beat this first number. 30 seconds. Walking out. Dropping her knee. Keep breathing Every move is a perfect move. Last 15. Beat that time. In 5, 4, keep working. 3, 2, and relax. What number did you get to? I think I got to like 40. Don't count it. All right, so next, we're gonna go pogo jumps. The difference between a pogo jump and a squat jump is we're gonna have very little bend in our knees. Example here. For all my great NBA, WNBA jumpers, they have not a lot of time to get in the air. We're here for 30 seconds. I want as many as you can get in. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and be a spring. Be a bungee off the court, nice and light on our feet. If you have knee issues, I want you to take it to a post. 10 seconds left. Work. Nice and springy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, shake them out. So next, we're gonna combine two moves that we've done before. So here we're gonna go lateral lunge to a curtsy lunge. So driving here, driving behind. We're here for a minute and we're gonna switch at 30 seconds. 3, 2, and go. Drive, load, drive, explode, load, explode. Good, 20 more seconds, team. Low, explode. 15, being strong, multiple directions, multiple angles. No one can beat us. 5, 4, 3, 2, same thing other side. 2, 1, and go. Here, you always hear me talk about you being your check engine light. Which side feels tighter? Which side feels stronger? 20 more seconds. Load. Big push. In 10. Load. Push it around. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next. Same thing. We're going to add a couple skills that we've worked on in this workout and our previous. Here, we're going to go shuffle to a crossover. So get to the left side of our mat, 2 shuffles, big crossover getting back. Super dynamic move. We're here for a minute. We will switch directions at 30. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slide, slide, get back. Slide, slide, get back. Yes, team. Get here. Really change. Be explosive. Last 15. I love this. We're stacking 2 skills, making you think, using your entire body. 5, 4, 3, 2, stand to the other side. Same thing. 2, 1, and go. Drive. 2 slides, big crossover, drive. Looks a lot like our karaoke, right? Looks a lot like our shuffles. 15. Keep breathing. 10. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and drive. Next, we're gonna reset to the end of our mat. Hands in these position. Here for a minute, we're gonna go small bear crawls forward and back. If you have shoulder issues, just worry about holding this static position. We're here for a minute. In 5, strong upper body, strong core. 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is not a rush. Tap, pushing back. Keeping those knees pointed straight towards the ground. Again, if you have shoulder issues, you're here static, you can even hold up for 5 and reset. That's how we create time under tension to get stronger there. in 20, in 15, last 10 seconds, squad, in 5, 4, 3, 2, woo! Stand up, take a breather here, team. For these next 20 seconds, I'm gonna explain our finisher. Here, we're gonna combine everything together. You know why? Because you're ready for it. First, our mat will be our ladder for the day, okay? We're gonna call 22s. So 2 in, 2 out. 2 feet on the mat, 2 feet out. You're gonna go forward, but what did I say about us changing direction? We're working every direction. Then I want you to go backwards. Same thing, 30 seconds all out. After, legs nice and straight, walk those hands out, reaching to that opposite toe, walking those hands back. You ready? We got that 2 times around. We're going in 15 seconds. Whew. This is when it's fun. This is where you go to that place mentally. 10 seconds, the home stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, quick feet, get there, get back. For my modifiers, I promise here will get you everything you need. 15 seconds, drive, lower hips, in 10, keep working, 5, 4, 3, 2, woo! Legs straight here. A minute, walking our hands out, reaching towards that opposite toe. 5, 4, 3, 2, reaching back to that opposite toe. If you have an upper body injury or issue here, just hold a tall plank. 30 seconds, standing up nice and tall. Legs straight. Reach, walking back. Last 15, walking out. Reach, walking back. In 4, 3, 2, and recover. 10 seconds, one more time around. 22s, slow feet, don't need. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Work, here and out. Again, hips staying loaded. Work. 15, you got it. Let's go. Stay with me. Push me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, woo! Legs straight. Last minute. Let's work. Walking those hands out. Reach. This is the end. Stay fighting for me. I know it's hard. You got it. Reach. Using that core. Last 20. Reach. Last 10. Give me one more great one. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Let's take it down to the ground. You deserve it. Woo! Here, hands behind us. Watching here, knees at 90, heels tucked into the ground. We're just striving our shins down and here. We're here for a minute. Show those hips, show that groin some love. Those crossover steps, those shuffles, those lateral lunges. If you're here and this feels like a great stretch, that's great. If you're ready to progress, take that arm, reach out, coming back. Arm, reach out. Last 20 seconds. Whew. Team, So proud of y'all. Feel like this is like a graduation. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you're gonna lay on our side. Feet stacked. We're gonna drive this heel behind us. To get a bigger stretch in our quad, we're not gonna yank on this ankle. We're gonna push this hip forward. And we're just holding for 30 seconds. Slow that heart rate down. Continue to breathe. That was such a great job. I threw so much at you. It's been shown when we challenge ourselves with new exercises, new movements, our body responds. We become better athletes. We become healthier. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching up. And it's a great practice to get out of our comfort zone. If we do everything we're comfortable with, we don't become great. And hold. Last 30 seconds. Continue to breathe. 15. We're in this together. We're a team. We start together, we end together. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team, I am so proud of you guys. Great job. If you find yourselves looking for new workouts, check out other workouts in the NTC app. Coach you soon.